In this video, I will show you how you can go ahead and view your Gmail contacts. So I'm currently logged into my Gmail account, as you can see. And if you're logged in, you can just click on Google Apps. You'll see a bunch of different apps. What you need to do is click on Google Contacts to view the contacts for this Gmail. As you can see, this Gmail currently has 7 contacts, and we have a name, email, phone numbers, job and company title. So if I do click on this one, for example, I can view all the details available, right? I can see the email, the phone number, the website. You can see some photos as well, their Facebook, a lot of different things. You can directly email them from here as well. You can call them as well, right? A lot of different options you can do. And here we have labels for your contacts. For example, this one I imported today using a CSV file. So you see this as a separate list. You can also create other lists, for example, for colleagues, right? But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple.